This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the biggest storage consumers and acting fast. Open the Google storage page and scan the breakdown for Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Once done, sort items by size or date to reveal the obvious space hogs. Make sure to sign into the correct account and enable any device sync so you see everything. Then, create a quick plan. Delete duplicates, bulk remove old attachments, and export anything you must keep before permanent deletion. Now execute the heavy work. Clear trash in Drive and Photos and permanently remove spam and trash in Gmail, because items linger until fully purged. Next, use Drive Storage View to sort by size, select many files at once, and delete or move to an external backup. If you rely on Photos, convert high-quality originals to storage-saving compressed versions or export albums with Google Takeout before removing originals. This preserves data while reducing use. Finish by confirming the freed space on the storage page and forcing a resync across devices, because visible changes can lag. Then adjust sharing settings or cancel unneeded backups and subscriptions if you need more long-term space. You can also upgrade your plan. If something goes wrong, like sync errors or missing freed space, clear the app cache, re-authenticate your Google account, and check trash again. Off-installed deletions or reshared files are the hidden culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.